It's me, Fred the House Cat. When my family leaves for the day, I don't just sit inside watching the world go by. Hi, Buttercup. Da-da-da, the Lord's Warrants to order.